Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on MoonPay application. For that, first of all, you need to open your MoonPay app. Then you need to log in into your account with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page, you will see three tabs. The first is of buy, the second one is of sell, and the third one is of swap. So since we want to learn buy and sell on MoonPay, we need to first of all tap on the option of buy. Now it is going to be taking some time to redirect you here on the buy page. Now you need to remember that you won't be able to purchase the cryptos here in your MoonPay account if you haven't verified your identity over here. So you need to make sure that you verify your identity. Only then you will be able to make the payments and purchase your cryptos here. So on this buy page, you are going to see this USD option here on the top. So by default, it is going to show you the amount in USD, but you can also tap on this drop down menu and you can select any of your currencies like GBP, USD or Euro. After selecting it, you just have to simply enter the amount of USD, Euro or GBP that you want to spend in order to purchase your favorite crypto. Now here you are also going to see the option of Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be the default crypto that you can purchase, but you can also tap on the option of this drop down menu and you can select any of the assets that is given in this list. Let's say you are interested in buying Ethereum, so you can select Ethereum over here. Then you can enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Ethereum. After that, you need to simply press continue here in the bottom. Then it is going to show you the payment methods in front of you. It actually depends on country to country. So all in all, it is going to give you Google Pay or Apple Pay options, sometimes PayPal, credit card, debit card, or the bank transfers. So you can choose any of the methods in which you are comfortable, and with the help of that option, you just have to conclude your payment. So once your payment is done, you will get your crypto in your MoonPay account. So this way you can directly purchase crypto on MoonPay with the help of this buy option. Now once you have your crypto available in your MoonPay account, you can tap on the option of wallets, or you can just simply take a look at the home page where you will see the MoonPay account option. So here you will see all of the cryptocurrencies that you basically own. So you can sell these cryptocurrencies and you can get the payment in your bank account. So you can click on the option of sell here on the home page. After that, it is going to redirect you here on the sell page. Now again, by default, Bitcoin will be selected here. So you can click on the drop down menu and select any other cryptocurrencies. Similarly, instead of USD, you are going to see Euro as currency. So you can click on the option of this drop down menu and you can select any of the currencies of your choice. It is also going to show you the equivalent amount of currency that you are going to get after selling the crypto, and it is also going to give you the fees that is taken from you by MoonPay. So once you are okay with it, simply click on the option of continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to select your payment method. Then again, you need to conclude your payment. So once your payment is done, your crypto will be sold here on MoonPay and you are going to get your crypto in the form of your own currency in your bank account. So this way you will be able to buy and sell your cryptos on MoonPay. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can comment down below if you want me to create a video on any of the topics that is available in your mind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.